Jai Hind and welcome to Saraswati Sisukunj Wagwala Board. So myself Ketan Rathod. Today we will learn subject Max Standard 5th, chapter number 7, and name of the chapter is Can You See the Pattern? In previous video revision we learned following topics. Which are the topics? The name of the topics are patterns. In that we learn what is pattern, then rules of pattern. In that we learn in rules of pattern we learn 3 different rules. Which are the rule? 1/4 turn, half turn and 3/4 turn. Then after we learn look for a pattern. In this we used to find the mistake in a rule. Okay. Then we learn magic square. By using 9 number and rule of the square we used to find answers of blank boxes in a given 9 boxes. Okay. In magic square we used to find answers of vacant box or circle. Okay. And then after last topic was left right same to same. In this we used to find out the special number. Okay. Today we are going to learn following topics. Which are the topics? Calendar magic, some more number pattern, smart adding, fun with odd number, secret number and number surprise. So these are the following topics which we are going to learn today. Okay, so let's begin with number 1 topic, calendar magic. Okay, so first topic is calendar magic. Here calendar is given. In the calendar 3x3 size box is given. In that 9 dates are given in a calendar. Okay, now we have to find quickly the total of these 9 boxes. For that there are 2 different methods. If we know that 2 different methods, then we can easily find out the total of the given 9 dates. So let's learn method number 1 first. So method number 1 is like this. Okay, what you have to do, take the smallest number. So in the given 9 number, which is the smallest number? So you can find 3 is the smallest number. So we will write here 3. Now except 3, how many dates are remain now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have to add 8. We have to add 8 in it. So here we will add 8. Okay. So 8 plus 3 is equals to 11. So we get here 11. Now multiply it by 9. Now why we are multiplying with 9? Because there are 9 dates in a box. So that's why we are multiplying with 9. So we will multiply with 9. So what is the total we get? 9 ones are 9, 9 ones are 9 and 9 ones are 9. So here we get total 99. Total is equals to 99. So the answer of addition of this 9 number is equals to 99. Hope you have understood this method. Method number 1. Now method 2. See, in method 2 what you have to do? In method 2 you have to see out of given 9 dates which is the center number. So you can find that center number is 11. Out of 9 dates which is the center number. So here you get 11. So that center number you have to multiply. So we will write center number. This is the center number, that is 11. Now total how many dates are given in the box? Total dates in a given boxes, given box is equals to 9. Now we have to multiply this 11 with 9. So 11 into 9, that is 99. So total of the given boxes is equals to 99. So these are the 2 methods which you can use. Any of the method you can use and you can find out the total of the given dates. Okay. Hope you have understood this topic. Now we will move to next topic. Next topic is some more number pattern. Now what is question given here? Take a number and multiply with 1, 2, 3, 4 and it goes on. Okay. In every steps. And then after you have to add 3 in every step. Whenever you get the answer, at that time you have to find the difference of the given answer. Understood? Once again, you have to take any number. Here I have taken 12 number. That with that number we have to multiply 2, 3, 4, 5 and it goes on. Okay, and in the same step we have to add 3 every time in every step. Okay, and whenever you get the answer, in that answer you have to find the difference between two number. Whatever you get the answer, that answer's difference you have to find, means you have to find the difference between these two number. Okay, so here you can see 12 2s are 24, 24 plus 3 27, same way 12 3s are 36 plus 3 39, 12 4s are 48 plus 3 51, 12 5s are 60, 60 plus 3 63. Now 12 6s are 72, 72 plus 3 75. Ahead 12 7s are 84 plus 3 87, 12 8s are how much? 96 plus 3 99, 12 9s are 108 plus 3 111. So these are the answers of the given numbers pattern. Okay, now what we have to find? We have to find difference in answer at every steps, means we have to find the difference of every two numbers. Okay, so here 39 and 27. So when we subtract 27 from 39, we get 9 minus 7 2, 3 minus 2 1. So here we get the difference between these two number is 12. Okay, now we will find difference between these two number 39 and 51. So 51 minus 39. Okay, so 1 minus 9 not possible, so this will become 11 and this will become 4. 11 minus 9 is equals to 2 and 4 minus 3 is equals to 12. So difference of these two number also we get 12. Okay, so while finding difference, everywhere you will get difference 12. In every step you will get difference 12. Difference of this answer you will get 12 everywhere. Okay, so you can check at your home yourself. Okay, so hope you have understood in this topic. Okay, now we will move to next question of same topic. Question number 2. Here a pattern is given 9 minus 1 divided by 8 is equals to 1. Okay, so in this pattern we have to complete the remaining blanks. Okay, remaining blanks we have to write the answer. Okay, so by looking this pattern we have to understand it first and then after we have to complete the or fill up the blanks. So here you can say 9 minus 1 is equals to how much? 9 minus 1 is equals to 8. 8 divided by 8 how much? 8 divided by 8 is equals to 1. So you understood the first step. Now second step, 98 minus 2 divided by 8 is equals to 12 is given. So 98 minus 2 means 96 divided by 8. So we know that in 12 table or 8 table 96 come. 12 8s are 96. So that's why your answer is 12. So if you observe here pattern, 1 come, then after 1 2. Now let's see the third step. 987 minus 3. So 987 minus 3 means how much? 987. 7 minus 3 4. So we can write 984 divided by 8. So what we get the answer? Let's see. Let us divide and check. 984 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8. 9 minus 8 1. Bring 8 down. So 8 2s are 16. So we get here 2 remainder. Bring 4 down. So 8 3s are 24. So we get answer here 1 2 3. So that's why here we write 1 2 3. So now if you see the pattern or observe the pattern, you will come to know. If you observe the pattern, you will come to know that in first step 1 come, then in second step 1 2 come, then in third step 1 2 3 come. So now you know, you understood that what will be the answer in the fourth step. Here 1, 2, 3. So in the fourth step 1, 2, 3, 4 will come. But we will check. Okay. So let us check. 9876 minus 4. 9876 minus 4 is equals to how much? 9872. 9872 divided by 8. So let us divide. 9 ones are 9. 8 ones are 8. 1 remain. Bring 8 down. 8 2s are 16. Again 2 remain. Bring 7 down. 8 4s are okay. 8 3s are 24. Again 3 remain. Bring 2 down. 8 4s are 32. So we get remainder here 0 0. So what is our answer? 1 2 3 4. So here answer will come 1 2 3 4. Okay. By dividing the number you will get the answer. By first of all what you have to do? First of all you have to subtract a number. Whatever you get the answer, that answer you have to divide with it, and at the end whatever you get the quotient, this is called quotient. So whatever you get in the quotient, that answer you have to write in the box. Or you understood from the by seeing the pattern also what is the answer in the next blank. Okay. So we will write directly answer 1 2 3 4 and then after 5. See, you have to check your answers. So at home you can check whatever we have written the answer here, they are correct or not, that you have to check at home. I have shown you how to check. Okay. Now here what will come? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Then here 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So hope you have understood in this pattern how we can arrange the number, or we can write the answer in the blank. Okay. Now we will move to next topic. Next topic is, it is based on pattern only, smart adding. If anybody asks you to do addition of 10 number or sum of 10 numbers and you have to give answer quickly, at that time sometime you will give answer, but sometime it will difficult for you to answer. Okay. Small numbers will be there, then there will be no problem to give answer quickly. But when you get big numbers, that time you will get confused. You will take more time to do addition of that particular 10 numbers. Okay. So here we have one trick to find out the answers of 10 numbers together quickly. Okay. So let's see. So here you can see I have add 10 numbers together and I get total 55. Okay. In next step, if you see 11 to 20 numbers are given. Okay, and that total is 155. If you want to check, you can check with your calculator also. Okay. Okay. So second answer is 155. Now third, 21 to 30. What is the answer? If you observe the pattern, carefully, you will come to know answer, or you can write the answer quickly. See, here only 55 is there. Here only 55 is there. In next step you can see there is 55 is already there, but I have written 1. So in third step you can write 255. So the answer of 21 to 30 total is equals to 255. So what will be the answer in next step? You know very well. Okay. So next answer will be 355. So if you observe here pattern, here 1 come, here 2 come, here 3 come, and it goes on. So here 4 will come, here 5 and 6. 55 will remain as it is. So this is the answers of 1 to 10, addition of 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40, 41 to 50, 51 to 60 and 61 to 70. So following patterns, if you understand the pattern, you can answer the given question very quickly. Okay. So what you have to remember, 55 will remain as it is. Just from the next step you have to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 55 will remain as it is. So if anybody is asking to you that what is the total of 71 to 80, then you can easily answer that 755. Okay, if you know this pattern or if you know the rule of this pattern, then you can quickly answer the given question. Hope you have understood this smart adding topic of number pattern. Okay, now we will move to next topic. This topic is fun with odd numbers. In this pattern, what we have to do? We have to add two odd numbers. We have to add two odd numbers. Whatever you get answer, that answer you have to write. Okay, so here 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. Now on the right side you have to write the multiples of the number. So 2 2s are 4. Okay, in first step we have taken here two odd numbers. Okay, so in second step we will take three odd number. You can see I have taken here three odd number. Then in third step I have taken 4 number. Okay, and it goes on continuously. So we have to add one more odd number in the next step. In first step we have taken 2, so in second step we will add one more odd number. Okay, so here you can see 1 plus 3 plus 5. After 3 which odd number come? 5. So here we have taken 5. So 1 plus 3 plus 5 is equals to 9. So 9, how we can write? 3 into 3. So you can see here pattern is formed, 2 into 2, 3 into 3. In third step 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 means we have add here one more odd number. So we get total 16. So we get here 4 into 4 and it goes continue. You understood the pattern. What is the answer in the next step? You come to know now by looking the pattern. 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 4 into 4. So in next there will be 5 into 5. So let us check it. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 is equals to how much? 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 9 is equals to 25. 25 comes in which table? 5 5s are 25. Okay. So here we get the square of the numbers. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25. So you also come to know what will be the answer of these two blanks. Okay, so let us check. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 is equals to 36. So here we have to write answer 6 6 are. Same way in last step 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 is equals to 49. So here we get answer 7 7s are 49. Hope you have understood how to fill up the blanks in the given pattern. Okay, now we will move to next topic, secret number. Okay, so I am reading from textbook. Bannu and Binod were playing a guessing game by writing clues about a secret number. Each tried to guess the other's secret number from the clues. You have to guess this clue. Okay, you have to guess a number. What is the answer of the given clues? Okay, so let us see number 1. Here 4 clues are given. We have to guess a number. What is the secret number that we have to find by using these 4 clues? So we will go through one by one all the 4 clues. Okay, at the end we will get the answer by the following 4 clues. So let us see first number clue. It is larger than half of 100. So the number must be greater than 50. Okay, because half of 100 is 50. Okay, but here larger than half, so means it is more than, means larger than 50 number. Okay, so we can say it is larger than 50 number. So we can say the number is larger than 50. Number 1 clue we get like this answer. Second clue, it is more than 6 tens and less than 7 tens. So in second clue we can write that 6 tens means 6 into 10, that is 60, and 7 tens means 7 into 10, that is 70. So the number is in between 60 and 70. The number is in between 60 and 70. So whatever we get the answer, that answer will be between 60 and 70 number. Okay. Third number clue, the tens digit is one more than the ones digit. So 10 place and 1 place we have to find. The places the 10th place number and 1 place number we have to find. So what is given in the question? The 10 digit is one more than one's digit. Now we will come on second clue. What was the second clue? So we come to know that the given number is in between 60 and 70. So our 10 place number must be 6. Okay, the 10 place number is 6. Whatever we get answer in 1 place value, that answer will be lesser than 1 compared to 10 place value. So here 10 place value is 6. We have to subtract 1. So what is the answer? Here we get answer 5. So here 1 place will be 5. Okay. So whether our answer is correct or not, for that we have to see the last clue. Together the digit have a sum of 11. When we add the 10 place and unit place number, we will get answer 11. If we get answer 11, then answer will be correct. Okay. So 6 plus 5 is equals to 11. So here we get 11 answer. So the number which we guess is 65, or we can say the secret number is 65. So let us revise it. We have given here 4 clues. In first clue, what is given? It is larger than half of 100, means the given number is bigger than 50, because half of 100 is 50. Then in second clue, what is given? It is more than 6 tens and 7 tens, means the given number is in between 60 and 70. Okay. Then in third point, the number the tens digit is one more than the ones digit, means whatever number we will get, the number will be 10 place value will be bigger than unit place value. How much? 1 digit. Okay. Then we guess the number, we write that number. In last clue, what we have to see? In last clue, we have to see the addition of that unit place and 10 place number is 11 or not. If we get 11, then the number which we have written in third clue, that is the correct answer. So you can guess like this and you can get the secret number. Okay. Hope you have understood this topic. Now, next topic is number surprises. So a number question, you can see on the board. Ask your friend, write down your age, add 5 to it, multiply the sum by 2, subtract 10 from it, next divide it by 2. What do you get? So for a number question, I will ask to Harshad sir some question, he will write on the board. Okay, and at the end, whether Harshad sir get the same answer according to his age or not, that we will check. So let me ask to Harshad sir some questions. Okay, so first question is, Harshad sir, write your age. What is your age? Okay, now add 5. Okay, now find the total. So you get 37. Now you have to multiply this 37 with 2, means total you have to multiply with 2. So he gets 74 here. Now third question is, you have to subtract 10. So Harshad sir get here 64. Okay, we have done here 3 steps. In first step we add the number, in second step multiply, in third step subtract. Here multiply with 2 and subtract with 10. Now fourth step, divide the answer with 2. 64 divided by 2. So what is the quotient you get? That is 32. So if we see here, the age of Harshad sir is 32 and at the final answer we get the same number 32. So by this method you have to find out the answer. What you have to do in this? First of all you have to write your age, then you have to add 5. After adding whatever you get the total, that total you have to multiply with 2. After multiplying with total you will get the answer. That answer, whatever you get the answer, that answer you have to subtract with 10. So you will get the answer, next answer. Whatever you get the answer of subtract, after subtracting, that answer you have to divide with 2. You have to divide with 2 and you will get the answer. Whatever you get the quotient answer, means whatever you get quotient after dividing, that answer will be same as compared to your age. Thank you, Harshad sir.
Okay.
Hope you have understood all the steps, but when you are asking to your friend, at that time you don't have to write age. Okay, the person whom you are asking, that person will not tell you his age. Just you have to follow these steps. At the end, whatever your age is and the final answer you get, does both the numbers are same or not, then he will surprisingly say that yes, whatever my current age is and the final answer whichever I get, that answer is same. Okay, by this method you can surprise your friend. Okay, now we will move to B number question. So another trick for a surprising number. So here steps are given, 4 steps are given. This 4 steps you have to follow, you will get a surprise number. So whichever number you have taken, that number only you will get at the end, that is surprising number. Suppose I take here number 20. Okay, taken a number is 20. Now what is it? Double it, means this 20 we have to write, and 20 twos are how much? So double of it is 40. Now this 40 we have to write here, means multiply in third step we have to multiply this 40 by 5. So 40 5s are 200. Now this 200 we have to divide with 10 according to step number 4. So here we will write 200, that 200 we will divide with 10. So if we divide 200 with 10, what we get answer? 10 2s are 20, 0 0, bring 0 down, 10 zeros are 0. So at the end we get the same answer as we have taken a number. So this is the second method of surprising number. See number, look at this pattern of the numbers and take it forward, means we have to continue this pattern. So in first step you can see 1 is equals to 1 into 1, then second is 121. So 121 is a square of 11 into 11, means 11 11s are 121. Now in third step you can see 1 2 3 2 1, means 12,321 is square of which two numbers? So 111 multiplied by 111 is equals to 12,321. Now we have another number here, that is 12,34,321. So this number is square of which two number? So 1111 multiplied by 1111. Okay, so by this way the process will continue and you will get continuous pattern. Hope you have understood all the topics of today's video. Thank you and have a nice day.